it's no way you could fail because what's for you is for you. So you just gotta keep going. You see what I'm saying? If you stop, you fail. That's just that. If you keep going, you don't know what's at the end. And that it's simple as that. You see what I mean? It's not simple, but it's simple. You just gotta you gotta keep going at the end of the day.
Hey man, this the best clothing brand in the world.
In the world.
Not in the US. In the world,
I
brother.
don't know how long you was rocking with us though. What 20 what?
2020.
2020.
You better what? You better screen that.
Come on.
Facts.
2020.
The first
2020.
one. The very first one.
I'm
dropped
talking. He
out
almost
today.
talking. He was sick on COVID. He said he want
Let's
Love
get it,
Stone.
sleeve. Come on.
He want Love Stone on COVID.
Love Stone, the only way to go. Down that trade raspberry hills right now for Love Stone. Come on.
We got Sony, you know, we got Sony with us.
We gotta go back to our roots, man. We gotta go back to our roots, man.
Right.
We gotta go back to our roots.
You see what he doing? You gotta let him take over Tusa time.
Not every.
We got it. All right.
Okay.
What's that ski master right? No more Nike. Hey, no more Nike ski masters. 2025 winter, Love Stone dropping ski masters with the heart on the
Where's
side.
that? Y'all got it?
Nah, we ain't got it yet. It's unreleased.
Not yet.
It's coming.
But this unreleased, that's unreleased right there.
Come on.
What he got on the brown unreleased. You know we out Jalil. Jalil gonna be Jalil back here.
What that mean?
He gonna do what he do.
Post up in the cut in the back.
Hey man, what's the mission with Love Stone? It just show love, like it's a deeper meaning, or
So
what?
the meaning behind Love Stones, everybody know Love Stones is a stone, attract love and restore trust. So right now we in our like Love Stone Mountain, so it's like a feeling we in right now. Like we just trying to get to the top of the mountain for real, you know, top
Okay.
of the world. So it's like Love Stone Mountain. We gonna let this job ride to April, and by April we should be in a place where we want our brand to be. Then once you go to the top of the mountain, you kind of go to paradise. So our next collection gonna be Love Stone Paradise, and that's when we gonna definitely be in our creative bag and all that. So.
And that's just with just life in general. When you going through things, you gotta climb the mountain. No matter what, you might fall. You gotta keep going up top. And then when you feel like where you need to be, you're gonna be in paradise. You feel what I'm saying? So you just really gotta keep going at the end of the day. That's really it.
Tell them what was at the Love Stone out. In Love Stone Paradise.
Love Stone Paradise?
Love Stone Savages.
He's some Love Stone Savages. Nah, we just wanna continue to spread love though. No matter what. Through our brand, we're gonna continue to spread love and the messages. So Sleeves, on your input, what you think Love Stone, like how you see Love Stone in the
Like,
near
as far as
future?
what?
The near future.
Shit, definitely a big ass brand for
Yeah.
sure. Definitely a big ass brand.
What level?
Uh,
Like y'all own level, or like Louis Vuitton?
Louis Vuitton for sure. I like.
I feel like I feel like you know how people be like other brands being Hellstar Lane.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like they do, but they don't, cause they inspired by them.
I feel like that's
So
art though.
yeah, that's art. At the end of the day, that's art. So
Everything is an imitation. Like you gonna get inspiration from him.
yeah,
Just like you feel me. Like
Right.
everybody gonna get inspiration from everybody. So
yeah.
that's just art. That's how it goes.
And somebody got to pay you the way no matter what. Somebody.
Yeah, man, you gotta leave a legacy.
Yep.
Appreciate you, my guy. If y'all ever need any action shots,
Yeah.
yeah.
You
I be on that skating shit.
skating.
Yeah. So. I'll buy it first, you know what
Yeah.
I'm saying, so I don't scratch your shit up, but yeah.
You gonna be skating with him right now.
I just don't look
I be
at
skating
Tom
with
for
this
sure.
nigga. No cap.
Don't do that no more.
No cap.
Where we at with this thing, man? You know, I'm a UPS man, so I know a little thing about this.
at. We everywhere with it.
Everyone, man.
Hey man, what these is right here, man? You done switched out with the.
He put on the working shoes.
Come on, man. Ace it.
From the jump man to the working shoes.
Come on, man.
That boy
And
went.
you left that photo shoot. We about to get right. We about to continue to work. That's all we do is work, no matter what, and have fun with it. That's all we do, for real. You know, all our junk back here.
This trailer stay on?
Huh? Nah, we take that off. That's that working trailer. When it's time to work, get the trailer. Bam. This is where all the work at.
Hey man, what you be doing up, man? Hit me up. what it was like.
Working, just like you. Working. Close that door. Working, man. We be working just like you.
Huh?
Man, he hit me up at like 5 o'clock in the morning one night. I'm like, what the hell, this nigga?
Sleep. I don't go to sleep at all. You
I do be sleep.
don't. Nigga, I be up getting ready for work. This nigga. Hey man, we gotta like. Nigga, when do you go to sleep?
Sleep for the rich. I ain't rich yet.
I ain't facts.
Rich either.
Like,
Real. They the
don't
ones
go to
that's
sleep.
working. They got
I
most
think
stuff to do.
that's kind of why I want to go to New York, cause like, man, I used to go to New York.
I ain't gonna front. Why you think New York really so busy? Like everybody working.
Their lights don't turn off.
You feel me?
But we already got Jalil in the vlog, but Jalil, man, that man really believe in us, man. You gotta have people that really believe in you. You know what I mean? He really believe in us. He push us.
But not even that though. You gotta take care of the people that believe in you.
Wait a minute.
Take care of
Lost
the
a
ones
leg.
like that. So you gotta take care of the one like that. Sometimes if you ain't, nah, you got it. Sometimes
You need help with something?
You got the key? You got the key?
It's already open. That's why I did earlier. I wanted to open it earlier.
yeah, sometimes when you ain't got it or you got it but you ain't got it, you still gotta take care of the ones that you feel me been working. You feel me? It's all that sacrifice.
They know if they need it, I got it.
I might eat Roman noodles. I want my man to eat steak. You see what I'm saying?
Right.
I'm good.
Shit, I'm thinking nigga you eat steak with me. Steak,
Nah,
lobster.
you ain't
I
seeing
get what you saying,
You
man.
see what I'm
But
saying?
if I eat you,
No,
you
what?
eat, I eat. What you talking
No,
about?
I'm gonna eat.
Oh, regardless. Shit.
I'm gonna eat. We gonna eat because I'm good. I'm good with eating Roman noodles and cereal. You see what I'm saying? Sometimes I want sometimes I might say,
I got it.
"Jamil, bring me a piece of steak."
Hey, I say a piece, I might order him a whole one myself. Man, get a nigga $8. Fuck it, that nigga $2 $8. That nigga need to eat anyway, little
A lot of people forget that Derek Fisher was on the team with Kobe and Shaq.
He was?
Exactly. You heard that? He was. He asked, was he? Derek Fisher was on that team. Derek Fisher played that role. You see what I'm saying?
I knew that.
Derek Fisher played that role though. He was a true point guard.
Shit, that same thing like goddamn, what my boy name is?
Who that?
Paul?
Nah.
Nah.
Used to play for, I forgot who he played for, but he got on Lonzo as when Lonzo, Patrick Beverly.
Oh, nah, Patrick Beverly a real dog.
But listen though,
He the
I'm
one
saying-
that from the
I'm saying
trenches.
though, but look, Pat he played this role.
Yeah.
Pat used to drop 37 in high
I'm not
school.
gonna lie.
Pat used to drop 37 in high school,
Yeah,
but got to
exactly.
the league and started what, being a defensive player, bro.
Yeah.
I'm saying.
And going off of that, he used to score 30 in high school. That's just like we from Savannah. We the biggest brand in Savannah. But they got Hellstar in the world. They got Saint Vanity. They got Polo. You see what I'm saying? There's always somebody bigger than you. You just keep working to get notarized for real.
But-
Ain't nobody in the mall working but Love Stones. Right there.
Like, this is what we're working out of.
Facts.
But we
Cause I
making
like
it
it.
work. Feel me? That's what we working out of, but we making it work, man. Feel me? It ain't the prettiest thing. Went from a store to a storage
I mean,
unit.
it's something.
feel me?
He's gonna be a remodel.
What is the hardest thing about being
The hardest thing?
being like the brand, like having a brand and
I
everything?
kind of base off everything about life. That's just me. What's next? That's the hardest thing. What's next? Cause you working, but what's next though? Cause sometimes you procrastinate. Like
Overthink.
you want to do this, you want to do that. It'd be hard decisions for real.
Overthinking.
With this,
But,
with this right here, do you have to like have time to like study people, or this is something that you create, and then you try to see if other people?
It go both ways though, because if you want to sell, you gotta target audience.
Right.
You see what I'm saying? You gotta target audience. But once you get your target audience in the stuff, now you create, you do what you do, and you gotta get them to like it. So it's all on your target audience, for real.
And people perception change every day.
Every day. Cause you gotta think about it.
You'll always be studying people regardless.
You gotta think about it. It's other clothing brands, there's other stuff in the world.
Yeah.
So you gotta try to make these people happy. And don't get me wrong, I think everybody in this industry is all about the art. It's all about the art of it.
Right.
So But I think ours different is just cause like the mindset of it, the thoughts of the things that we put out and stuff like that. So that would make it different. And the quality. I ain't gonna lie, the quality crazy. Quality crazy. You can wear these every day if you want to.
Facts.
You gotta keep doing your marketing no matter what. You just can't give up. If you give up, nobody definitely gonna buy. You know what I'm saying? Somebody gonna buy at the end of the day. Somebody.
We'll try again tomorrow.
You gonna try again tomorrow.
That end day, guess what? They over with.
A dude always say $1 a day will make you happy. You see what I'm saying?
Facts.
$1 a day will make you happy. You gotta get somebody in it.
Like it's one thing to sell in Savannah, right?
Yeah.
When y'all go on the road, like who is who? Like who plays the role of like speaking to people, like trying to like
get people to.
Yeah, you may be a shy person, but you know.
It be different.
I ain't gonna lie, it depends on where we at for real.
Yeah, it's different, and it's different days, cause like we human, and it's like sometimes, bro, we just set up,
And
we
depends
did
on what
this.
mood we in.
Yeah, it's the mood. I'm saying, like we done
Like-
set up, we done did all this.
I ain't
Boy, you
gonna
get
lie,
drained, boy.
When we go to the A,
Yo,
everybody be wanting to talk then, cause
Yeah.
like that's the audience.
Okay.
Like just like we just came back from Jacksonville not too long ago.
Cause see,
It was
Savannah home, so it's kind of like easy to be in the mall. People come up to you.
Pants. I got 2 jackets on these pants.
nah. Yeah, Savannah home though, but we just at the end of the day, we just be us. At the end of the day, so.
Okay.
We ain't trying to fake the phone, but nothing. We just gonna be us. Sometimes we might get excited and do this and that, but hey, it be like that. But in different places, you gotta kind of get the people in the brand, cause they don't know about the brand. So you gotta kind of get that. Check me out, you see what I'm saying? Check me
Right,
out.
right.
Or sometimes things catch people's eyes like I never seen that, so I want that. Now you gotta sell it to them. That's the biggest thing, the selling part. You gotta sell it. And that's what, like, going back to the old school people, they like what benefits them out of this? You see what I'm saying? Like what they getting out of this? You getting some great clothes, like I said, you can wear this every day. It's comfortable. And a lot of older folks, they like that polo, that Nike. That's simple. That's the older folks style. And that's what we give. We give younger folks and older folks vibe. Real. We gonna wait on him. We gonna wait on him.
Always run
He
from the
talking
camera.
about you. He
Yeah,
talking
always
y'all
run-
gotta close. We gotta close out the vlog and
Close
run
out
from
together.
it.
Come on.
And he
You
put
gotta
on the
put up-
shades being phony.
Hey man, little smooth little vlog, man. We about to get back at them. We got somebody to believe in us. So hey, y'all stay tuned. We about to keep dropping. We gonna be consistent. Y'all gonna see the growth. What you gotta say, Jaleel? What you gotta say, Jaleel?
Man, y'all know what's going on, man. Keep grinding, keep going.
Yeah, man. Hey, teamwork make the dream work. Believe in yourself and believe in God first.
Hey, 100 likes if you want to see me put Junior on his neck, I'll do it. Ain't that right? Come on.
I ain't gonna lie, he can't fight because he always talking about the same thing.
Hey, come on, we can do it right now. Is that how you run?
All right.